Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, looking at Astilbe, such a wonderful flower. It's not available year-round, and oftentimes it's short-lived. As beautiful as it is, once it starts drooping, not so great. An excellent substitute if you can't find Astilbe, or if you're concerned about it lasting in hot temperatures, gather your limonium latifolium. It's very similar, comes in the whites to the kind of tinted to blue or pink, but if you grab the limonium and your Design Master paints, you can create whatever color you need. You could do from the very softest blush into the darker hues. Sometimes you might want to use 2 or 3 colors to tint it exactly perfectly. And then once you have that, you'll be amazed at how similar it looks to the Astilbe. A perfect substitute. Now you know how the pros do it.